How to fix Discord stream loses color. Pixelation or poor video quality can be caused by an unstable internet connection. Restart your router to establish a fresh and stable internet connection. Electronic issues are often resolved by restarting the stream. While it may be inconvenient, restarting your stream can be a quick troubleshooting step. Open Discord and locate the settings icon next to your profile in the bottom left corner. Click on the settings icon and scroll down to find the Accessibility tab under App Settings. In the Accessibility tab, look for the Saturation Settings slider. Adjust the saturation settings according to your preferences to enhance video quality. If the issue persists, contact Discord support for assistance. Provide detailed information about the problem, including any steps you've taken to troubleshoot. Sharing the issue on community platforms like Reddit and Twitter might attract attention and potential solutions. Discord may release updates to address platform issues, including video streaming problems. Keep an eye on Discord's official channels for announcements about updates and bug fixes. Remember, these steps aim to troubleshoot and improve the Discord stream losing color issue. If the problem persists, reaching out to Discord support and participating in community discussions can be valuable for finding a resolution.